Alright, I figure I might as well show how this is done. So first, we whack to make some space. Needs at least 30 centimeters or so, just so it doesn't get shaded out. And I've already cut down some of the dogwood that would have shaded it out. And now I'm just going to take a shovel, approximately to the depth we need. And then go to the other side. This is heavy clay, right? So it's hard to dig. And we don't want to disrupt the soil too much by digging a huge hole. Because then that would interfere with water retention and microorganisms and a whole slew of other factors. Yep. Alright. So there's like a root in here. Alright, so we take out the roots too. So they don't suffocate our plant. And it's still a baby. Alright, so now I'm going to take one of these babies out. Here's a baby. Now this is a 1 or 2 years old. And now the soil that we dug out, we're going to put all of it back in. Crumple it up a little bit just so it compacts. Just packing it all around. And ideally we would have some cardboard, and well, we want to water it as soon as possible. There was just some heavy rain, and so this soil is nice and wet. So hopefully we can just pack it in there and remove any kind of air pockets that might be in the soil, because air pockets dry out the soil, and the roots can't grow through air pockets. So I'm just packing it in now, packing in this clay soil around here. Okay, and now I'm gonna get a stick. So is there a stick handy? Here. Here's one of the sticks I cut down. You see, this is one of those dogwood sticks, and we're gonna plant it upside down so it doesn't get any ideas in terms of trying to root into and overtake our transplant. Alright, so we're planting it in upside down. Okay, and now we can add the identifying string, and this is so we can later find it, so we can do the weeding and the watering for the first 2 to 3 years. We're gonna have to take care of these guys until they become strong. They're babies, you know, and they need time to develop and to become strong. And I'm just doing a bowline knot here. I'm gonna attempt at a bowline. Alright, so we got that, and I'll just add a string. Here. Put the bowline on this one. There. And we can put a simple knot on this one. Or a double knot. And then just connect the two. Again, you can just use a simple double knot. Double half hitch, or 2 half hitches. Next time I'm gonna have to bring some cardboard, and we'll put the cardboard underneath, and it will exclude the other weeds. Alright, so that's one planted.